This is a quick non-sponsor review of the 5-pack stackable closet storage baskets. Oh my gosh, these things are so incredibly easy to put together. I'm one of those kind of people that when I get something, I usually punt it off to my husband to put it together, but you literally just open the sides and then open the front and the back, and there's little areas where you can just kind of snap it into place. So they recommend not putting more than roughly 6.5 pounds per basket. So this is a great option for closets if you need some place to put like bras, underwear, socks, things like that. It would be perfect for that. And then the fact that it can be stacked vertically, you're just going to save a lot of space. Now, some of the downsides is that these do not come with lids. Is it a huge issue? No, it's not. And technically they don't slide out. Although if you do stack them and you kind of hold the top basket in place, you can by default just kind of slide the basket out that's beneath it. They have an assortment of colors, and the fact that these are stackable, I think I'm gonna order some more because you just really can't beat this. I have these in a guest closet downstairs because in this particular bedroom we don't have a closet. So this is just really convenient for garage storage, closet storage, bathroom storage, you name it.